hello! So today, we're introducing our menstrual disc applicator 3.0. So this is made from medical grade silicone. So it has a more velvety touch to it compared to our menstrual disc applicator 2.0, which is made from medical grade plastic. This one is a cheaper material. This one is a little bit more expensive, pero mas softer siya. So those who want more as a softer applicator, so mas less harsh sa intimate area natin. So it also has a tapered end, so it's easier for insertion. And sobrang lambot niya kasi silicone talaga siya. So it also has 3 parts, same as the last one. To use it, you just take this middle part and then you insert your menstrual disc like that. So meron siyang guide, ayan yung parang line. So pwede mo siyang insert ng ganito sa inside niya. Sample. So insert mo lang siyang ganyan sa ating V area. And then tsaka mo siya gamitan ng push rod. Meron din siya ditong handle. So mas madali siyang i-push ng ganyan. And of course, mas malambot siya. So hindi siya ganun ka-harsh sa sensitive area natin. So ganyan lang siya gamitin.